Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what might just be the best chameleon costume for babies on the market. The TONWHAR Unisex-Baby Animal Onesie Costume. If you're searching for a cozy, adorable outfit that will make your little one stand out this Halloween or during those chilly fall and winter months, this could be the perfect pick. The TONWHAR Baby Onesie is designed with both style and comfort in mind. Crafted from soft flannel fabric, it offers a warm, plush feel that's perfect for keeping babies snug on cooler days. The material is 100% polyester, which means it's not only soft to the touch but also durable and easy to care for. You can simply toss it in the washing machine without worrying about it losing its shape or softness. What sets this onesie apart is the thoughtful, practical design. The unisex cartoon animal theme makes it an adorable choice for babies of any gender. The costume features a cute hood that adds to the charm while also providing warmth and protection for your baby's head. Additionally, the hoodie includes zipper closures that run conveniently down the front, allowing for quick and easy diaper changes without having to fully undress your little one. The fit options are versatile, covering a wide range of ages and sizes, from newborns just 1 month old to toddlers up to 5 years. This range ensures that you can find the perfect size that provides comfort and freedom of movement, making it suitable for everyday wear or special occasions beyond just Halloween. The costume is designed not just to look good but to be practical for daily use. Its warm flannel fabric is ideal for fall and winter seasons, making it a cozy choice for both indoor lounging and outdoor events. Whether you're heading to a Halloween party, a family gathering, or simply want your baby to stay warm and cute at home, this outfit fits the bill. The quality of the stitching and fabric ensures that the onesie holds up well even after repeated washing. This durability combined with its softness means your baby can wear it comfortably night after night. The design also includes playful animal details like tails and ears that add character, turning this onesie into more than just a costume. It becomes a charming piece of baby apparel. In summary, the TONWHAR Unisex-Baby Animal Onesie Costume offers an unbeatable combination of cuteness, comfort, and practicality. Its flannel fabric keeps your baby warm, the hood protects their head, and the easy-access zipper design simplifies diaper changes. Available in a variety of sizes, it's a versatile choice that works well as a Halloween costume or cozy everyday wear throughout the cooler months. If you're looking to dress your baby in something that's both adorable and functional, the TONWHAR Onesie Costume is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.